A good day today. It's got to be a good day. How's everyone doing though? Good morning. Welcome back. Crazy, man. It's Friday already. The week kind of flew by. Absolutely flew by. But today is International Trend Journal Day. So, yeah, they made it a national holiday. We're releasing this journal today. And, yeah, it should be a good day, man. Positive vibes all around. Gold is actually pushing right now. I can't lie. Got a bit of an interesting situation going on, but yeah, man, should be decent. So let's get into this breakdown, and yeah, after that we'll have a little discussion, and that's about it. What's good, Ja? How you doing, bro? Good, Mark. What's good, Zulu? Spion, Chief Keef, Jay. What's good? How's everyone doing? So, what's good, Malenko? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, chat. The weekly has come up and flipped. Obviously, we saw that yesterday. Wait, this music's a little bit loud in my ear. Yeah, we saw that yesterday. The weekly came up and flipped. Yesterday, we just pushed pretty much consistently the whole way up. No liquidity being grabbed pretty much ever, which is fine. But you see the weekly flipping now after tapping into this level pretty much on the dot, actually, at 22.93. So can you now see a push up and a continuation to sort of, I don't know, either fill this wick or just close somewhat more strongly bullish? Maybe. The other thing also is that we can see on the daily we've grabbed the bottom wick. Now we did close above this level here at 23.24. We closed obviously respecting these higher levels, but we should have room to push up there. Only issue that I'm seeing right now with the daily is, firstly, we haven't really been liking to get a bottom wick and flip recently. We don't really do that. So yeah, just something that I've been noticing at the moment. But also, the 4 hour on gold has no bottom wick at all. So at any point, that 4 hour could flip. We did tap into the level at 22.30 though. Sorry, 23.20. But yeah, we'll see. That's something to just keep an eye on right now. And yeah, now on the one, what can we see as well? So the 1 hour, this music's too slow. Sure, that'll do. Yeah, so on the 1 hour, what can we see? We've got like 23.29. Nah, I don't think that's the level. I think that's a fake out. I think anything above this area here, potentially. Let me see, 23.27.8. Yeah, clean. Clean. Cool, so every time you close above 23.27.8, you come up to at least 23.30, 23.30.5-ish. Yeah, so that should give you some nice room to push up, and obviously all the other times you've gone even further. So yeah, decent advantage point there. So any closure above there, we'll look to take buys. Otherwise, sells, to be honest. Those might have to be below here at 23.23. Let me just see. Nah, that's going to be a bit lower. Just check. Yeah, I think that's pretty clean. 23.23. 23.22. It's a little bit tough with this area here, but yeah, I think once you close below there, you've got some room to come down to at least 23.19. That should give you a decent advantage point. And then once you get down to this area, we can look for even further sells. But to be honest, I'm not sure if we'll get to that point just yet. So yeah, that's the analysis right now. Very simple, to be honest. Literally buys above, sells below. And yeah, listen, it's the very, very last day of the quarter, right? The very last day. So there's no point in us doing anything stupid, any impulse positions, any breaks of our plan, any of that. There's no point, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to stick to the way that we're doing everything. Stay locked in. And yeah, if there's a position, we'll take it. It doesn't mean we don't take it, but it's Friday, it's the end of the quarter. Just make sure you're being sensible. And yeah, man. What's good, Michael? What's good, SZXT? Good victory settings. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Yeah, man. Journal coming out today. Yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see that. I'm super excited for you guys to see that. I have to upload the video first, so whenever that video gets uploaded, then I'll be able to give you guys the journal, just so I can give you a link to it. But yeah, chat, it's going to be pretty fucking sick. What's up, Robin? What's good, GG? What's good, bro? The interesting thing was this 30-minute candle closed with no bottom wick. Next candle came down and made a bottom wick. Now, if you see this candle flip, it should make a top wick. You should see this come and make a top wick at least. If not, you should see it flip the hourly candle. And if we can do that, then hopefully we can close above and take advantage of a push up to 23.31, right? That's what we'll look to take here. But yeah, man, need to see it form correctly. Still early, right? It's 8:40 right now. Early on. WVid/podcast yesterday. I sat and watched it all last night. It was a W video. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, man, that was a really nice video to create. It was really fun. It's a sick video, I can't lie. And you guys seem to be enjoying it a lot, so yeah, man. I'm glad that it worked out. Oh, smacked my mic there by accident. Good Noodle Holtz, how you doing, brother? What's good, my friend? And what's good, Quartec? At what percentage amount in a week would you stop for the trading week? I don't really have an amount, to be honest. I just go off of what a price action is telling me. For example, like today, if I was up 5% and I saw a setup, I might. If it was a perfect setup, I'd probably take it still. Actually, maybe not. I don't really have a set percentage. It's not like at 2% I'll stop trading. But like, I'd say you know when to call it and when not. You just get this feeling. You know what I mean? I feel like there's like yeah, there's like a gut feeling you get, or even just I don't know, a reasoning that you give yourself to say, you know, I probably shouldn't be trading now. I had a good week. Let's end off strong. That's what I'd say, to be honest. But last week we took like 5 wins in the week, and we continued to trade on Friday and took a win on Friday, I believe. So I don't think it's yeah, I don't think it's too bad. I'm done for the quarter to secure profits. Good shit, Noodle Holtz. Good shit. I made like 4% on my live account this week, but I don't know if I should continue. I suppose that's entirely up to you, brother. Payout is in 2 weeks. Oh, bro, well, if it's on a funded, take the payouts and don't trade them, bro, of course. Buy a new funded. And trade an evaluation. Or just, yeah, if you've got evaluation stages, then trade that. It's great granddad wiped 10 really 8 hours. Bro, yeah, it's crazy to say. And the way he says it, it sounds like it's nothing. But basically, like, kings used to get stabbed when they were on the toilet and shit like that. So they used to get their trusted, like, their most trusted soldier or whatever to do it for them. I don't know. So that was this guy's great granddad or whatever. So funny. But yeah, man. Imagine that's the hustle. And they got some crazy ass a few properties out of it. I thought he was joking and it was a metaphor. Nah, it's for real, I think. I don't know. It's funny though. Good, Florian. How we doing? What's good, Guelito? How's it going? Yeah, we have 15 minutes to this 1 hour close right now. Can we end up getting a nice little closure above and continuation upwards? That'd be super nice. Yeah, you're right. I'll take the payout. I ain't risking that. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. What's good, Jan? How you doing, bro? Can you do a quick rundown as why you took the levels you took? Yeah, it's just based off the 1 hour, right? You have some rejections here, and here at 23.27 is quite a strong level. Every time you close above it, you continue to push up. Every single time you've pushed up to at least, I mean, the minimum is up here at 23.30.4. Other than that, though, every time you've pushed up a lot higher. And for sells, you know, you have some rejections here at 23.22. Every time you close below it, you push down every single time without fail. Even if it's only to like 23.16, every time, or even 23.19. Every time you've closed below there, you get a push down. So those are really the two levels where once you close above or below, you should be good for a push. So that's why those are the levels, if I'm honest. Morning, Akash. How's it going? But yeah, Gualito, hopefully that helps. Funded is just so weird in numbers. Like 4% on 400k is huge. And I always greed for more. Yeah, you can't have any of that greed, bro. 4% on 400k is massive, bro. It's like 16k. Morning, Mia. How's it going? Morning, Joel. How's it going? Good morning. I guess also today, because the journal's coming out in like a few hours' time, I can show you it now. I don't think anyone's going to have time to copy it in the next 2 hours or so, whatever. But I can show you... later on, I'll show you the full thing. We can do like a little rundown of it. Just on the grind as usual. Yeah, rise and grind, eh? I'm risking from 3 to 5% on my live account is nicer. Yeah. I'm rather wanting to quit my funding accounts. I love live now. Yeah, bro. Live accounts is way easier. It's so fun trading a live account. It's like no stress. It's more zero stress now. Yeah, 100%. Lone Trader, what's good? Chief Keef, good, bro. Tion, how we doing, brother? How's it going, chat, man? Raise, what's good, bro? Shit, man. It's just a nice feeling on a Friday to just like pull up and chat to all you guys. You know? A nice little feeling, especially to end off the quarter. Guys, how was your quarter, though? This Q2? How was it, man? I know a lot of you guys have been killing it. I know a lot of you guys have been absolutely killing it. But let me know how's it been going. What's good, Remy? Good, brother. Chat, we're pushing here. Oh, we really are pushing. Okay. Those FTMO premium programs are looking too good. Did you read them? No, I didn't even look at it, to be honest. I haven't heard about them. What is it? A scaling program or some shit? I might have a nice closure here in 10 minutes, depending on what we do here. Should be interesting. Yeah, if you close up here, you have room to at least 23.30, I'd say. Every single time you seem to tap 23.30 as a minimum. If we can get a closure here on the 1, and I'll be happy. We get a bottom wick and we'll be in there. Be in there like swimwear. Lady just broke its highs. Jeez. Did indeed. Yeah, you got a... That's the wick fill as well at 23.30. Wait, so was that yesterday that we tapped that? Oh yeah, it was. Okay. For some reason I thought this was this morning's session, but yeah, that makes a lot of sense. But yeah, you got the daily wick fill too. That's another confluence right there. But you should expect to be tapped right now. So, well, not right now, but at some point. If we can grab just a small bottom wick on this next candle, we'll be in there. Absolutely in there like swimwear. A lot of potential here, chat. 9 minutes to the hourly close. There you go. Bro, I don't know why my MT5 is really weird. It like sometimes opens on one screen, sometimes on the other. There you go. Alright, we're in business. We're in business. Hopefully it can finish off the quarter nicely for us and not be like normal gold and just a weird ass closure. Or push. Ah, you know what it could be? Could see the fill the range special. I know DK loves the fill the range special. Classic play. Sam, I'm in love like UFC trader. Also, it's like MetaTrader on steroids. Yeah, C-Trader is good, man. C-Trader is good. I really like it. Ten minutes left to fill the range before we close. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. This is where that last 5-minute play that I was talking about might have to start coming in. But you've got like, last time it was like 7 minutes before the close. So essentially in a minute's time, or now, you just see it push and fill the range out of nowhere. But chat, yeah, lock it in here, man. There's definitely potential on this hourly close. Let's see if we can get the Telegram group in here. Yeah, man. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Massively appreciate it. If the analysis was good for you, or if you're just enjoying the streams, then yeah, drop that like. It really does help. Already caught 20 pips in Asian session. I'm chilling now. Friday / last day of the month / quarter. Yeah, good stuff, bro. That's a W day. W day. Are we even going to close above? That's the real question. This is London session volume for you right there. Just have a little spike and then a drop off, and you'll see it spike again shortly, I think. Only thing that might be an issue is the 4-hour having no bottom wick, but I mean, to be honest, like, you see pushes with no 4-hour bottom wick quite a few times. Destroying the waiting list, gonna get serious about collecting my data now. Yeah, 100%. It's an absolute must. Like, it really is a game changer. I know, like, actually no, it's free, so I'm not selling anything. But I know that I'm pushing this journal, but realistically, no matter what journal you use, like, collecting data is an absolute must. That's why I'm struggling, I know it. Yeah, I noticed as well, like, a couple of months back, maybe 6 months ago, I just stopped journaling. Because I don't know if I thought, I don't know if I thought, like, I'm good enough now, I don't need to journal or whatever, but I stopped journaling, and then instantly I started suffering in my trading. I was like, oh, okay. But it really is, like, a different level. Took a buy on the rebreak of the 1-hour high after 15-minute structure form, more of an impulse. Yeah, fair play, Barry. It might play out. That might play out. But yeah, chat, 4 minutes here. 4 minutes. See if we can get a nice little closure above. Yeah, lock in a little bit, yes sir. Did you think about renting that Lamborghini? Brother, I'm not gonna rent a Lambo. This guy. Mark's been trying to convince me to rent a Lamborghini for the... Why? I don't know. If I was gonna rent a car, it wouldn't be a Lamborghini though. I don't like Lamborghinis really. I mean, nah. Like, don't get me wrong, I'd have one. If you give me one, I'd take it, obviously. But, yeah, Mansoria, Brabus. Nah. Yeah, look at this, oh my days. Pulling back a bit. R8 is much better. I don't like R8s either, to be honest. R8 slap. Maybe. I don't know. Oh shit, chat. Some volume here, though. Got some volume here right now. 3 minutes as well. 3 minutes. If we can close above here, we should be good to push. In the past, what have we done here? If 26, we came and tapped before. And we didn't even really have that much of a bottom wick at all. I realistically think if we close above here, I think we could take it off the rip. We broke the lows, the previous lows we broke. Now we're pushing up. I don't see why you would, unless this is like a rejection off the daily flip, then I don't see why you'd come down unless, okay, well we might not even close above, so. I tried a La Ferrari in Barcelona, it's nice, but for 20 minutes then it hurts my back, bro, I bet that's crazy. We rejected hard here though, that's interesting. I have no clue why you would do that, to be honest. We close inside, is this onion valid? It's like, yeah. I'm not the biggest fan of taking sells when the daily looks like this. You know? That's not really the strongest onion play. Like, it needs to be a lot more bearish, I think, in my opinion. I mean, maybe a 15 onion, yeah, I suppose. I just don't think I'd want that. I'd much rather get this closure above, to be honest. But we might not get it here, chat. You got a minute to see if you close inside the range or outside. Very strange price action from gold there with the old 5 minute candle with no wick, deciding to get the whole trade gone. Let's see there. Interesting, chat. Interesting. Yeah, man. It looks like we're not going to close. Freaky Friday, yeah, 100%. Okay, chat. So yeah, you did close technically in the range. Hourly closed bearish somehow after that. And yeah, you might come down here, chat. If you see the 15 break these lows, you might see a push down. But again, we've got no top wick. There's nothing I can take. gonna have to wait for the next 30-minute closure, chat. I'm gonna be back in literally 2 secs, yeah? I'll be back in 2 seconds. Yo. YouTube chat needs gifts, bro. Yeah, trust me, it actually does. That'd be sick. Well, there'd be no way we could concentrate on a stream properly. But we're back, man. So that's a bit of an interesting closure, to say the least. Yeah, every time you've rejected here, you have come down and filled the range, to be honest. But at the same time, with the daily looking how it is, and yeah, all of that stuff, I can't really take sells here, especially no top wick on the one. Especially no top wick on the one. Morning, Rosie. How's it going? Yeah, cool. So, chat, we're gonna have to be a little bit more patient here, but that's fine, man. We've got time, right? We've got time and we've got patience, and that's all you need. All you need in this game. We're just gonna chill out, have a little chat together, and yeah, stay locked in, man. Good, how's it going, bro? You know what you need? A Lambo. Maybe. Mr. Bedge, how's it going, brother? I'm in buyers, different zones. Yeah, fair play, bro. Listen, if you trust your analysis, then great. Morning, Dan, how's it going? Morning, Trent, on my break again. By the way, is the journal releasing today? What's good, FNAM? Yeah. The journal is releasing today. 100%. I'm waiting for the video to be uploaded just by my editor, but that's fine. Once that's done, I can then put it into the journal as well. And yeah. It's gonna be dropping today, man, but it's gonna be pretty sick. So far, so good. How's the weather there? How is the weather here, bro? It's not too bad, I don't think. Not too bad. It was really hot the past few days, to be honest, but I think it's cooling down now. I think it's starting to like actually take a little bit of a cool down. Let me see. Yeah, it's gonna be like 20 degrees today, so not too bad. Good. How are you, mate? How's your week going so far in the US session? I had some struggles this week. Yeah, bro. It's been a weird week, to be honest. I see where you're coming from. I haven't got any trades in New York for the past 2 days. So yeah, it's been strange. I've just been, to be honest, staying out of it because I didn't like the price action at all, to be honest. yesterday, I mean, we had opportunity for buys here in London, obviously, which we didn't take, and then fucking hell, how far is that run up? Obviously, chat, we probably would have closed at like 20-30 pips or whatever, but still, yeah, 300 pips nearly, crazy. If we can get a 30-minute closure above 2327.8, we should be good for yeah, we should be good for some buys upwards. Heavy rain and cold here in Australia. Feels like 5 degrees. Yeah, I bet it's not there. I bet it's warmer than the UK. Yo, Sam, since you can't get a Lambo, do you want to get one for me? Yeah, maybe one day. Maybe one day. What's good, Notwix9? Good morning, brother. Had the same, mate. No trades for me also. Yeah, I think that's fine. A lot of people I know had no trades on the past few days. I don't think that's a problem. Yeah, good discipline at the end of the day, right? That's all it is. Literally just having good discipline. Chris, what's good? How you doing? I need to get some donuts. That's crazy, Mark. Yesterday was a good day. In what way, bro? Yeah, how are you guys ending off this month, though? Or this week, or this quarter? Tell me. What are we sitting at here? Made stacks. Huge. So for this quarter, I'm sat at... Yeah, I can't show it for this... Can't show it on the new journal. I'm gonna have to show you on the old journal, but yeah, it's not actually that. I'm stuck between two journals here right now, chat. Let me see. We've taken yeah, we did quite well actually. This month we did like a 92.6% win rate, I think. 92.8% win rate, my bad. The total of 160 pips. Decent. Decent. Morning, Matthew. What's good? Robin, you're sitting at 0.45% on both my 100k challenges. Oh, that's huge, man. Huge. Right now I'm sitting out. Yeah, I don't blame you. It's a good month or good quarter, whatever it is. That's great. Plus 400 pips this quarter. Akash, that's insane. Good stuff, bro. That's a really good quarter. Good stuff. A lot better than last week. Yeah, I bet, man. I bet. What, the 4 hour no bottom wick SG? Yeah, it's a little bit difficult. I can't lie, but recently I'm not. Firstly, there's 50 minutes left, so I don't know. One sec. And then yeah, I've been seeing recently that the 4 hours have just been pushing without those wicks, to be honest. So yeah, I didn't mean my mic, but my bad, chat. My bad. But yeah, basically, I've been seeing that the 4 hours have been pushing without wicks. So you can start to expect that they're not going to flip if they start pushing like this. You know, it's happened a lot of the time. This one started to push, so did this one as well. Where else you got them? You know, you got quite a few. This one as well. This one. Just lots of pushes without bottom wicks. So I don't think it's like too much of a major thing if we don't get those wicks, to be honest. 200 pips yesterday. That's insane, sir. Good stuff. Why am I the only one bearish? I don't know, bro. Why are you bearish? I don't think that's invalid. I don't think there's something wrong with that. I think it's possible for us to drive down. But at the minute, with the way that the daily is, I don't know, bro. I don't know. It looks more likely that we push up. But then again, gold could be gold, right? We've done this before where we've got a load of liquidity, and then we've decided to push up and go to the flip, and then we just reflip, break the lows, and then come back down. So it's very possible that either thing happens, right? Also, we have some news today, right? We have we have CPI, right? CPI today. Core price index. Yeah, man. So that should give us some volume, right? That should just actually bring us some volume in. That's at, what time was that again? 1:30? Yeah, 1:30. That's at 1:30. That's in about, I don't know, 6 hours time? No. 4 hours time, my bad. Jesus Christ, terrible maths. I was thinking bearish, but the weekly is just flipped. Daily is just flipped. Previous daily closed strong bullish. Yeah. Again, like it sounds like I'm just being like a bit, I don't know, pedantic, but with the way that gold's been moving recently, it could really do anything, and that's why I've been sort of less focused on all of that sort of stuff. We just kind of wait for breakouts, wait for mirrors, and then we get in the positions. Trump debate can be key. Did you not see the Trump Biden debate last night? Oh my days. Bro, my Twitter is just full of it. I woke up this morning, checked Twitter quickly. Wow. This guy was getting just rinsed left, right, and center. Like, literally, look, I'm already on it. Wait, scroll through Twitter. It's like, hang on, I don't want to scroll through Twitter on the screen just in case, but all I'm seeing is just like Biden, like, actually, it's not let me scroll, but you know the vibes. Just the whole fucking thing is Biden and Trump. Insane. Wait, what? Sorry, I've just seen one of those tweets was actually by Joe Biden. And it just says, wait, I get this to focus. Donald Trump is a sucker and a loser. That's all he tweeted. That's insane. Who's running his Twitter account? I watched yesterday's drop. It's so fire, very insightful, and the intro makes me think back to the good old days. Yeah, that's what I was going for, bro. It made me feel like I was back in the good old days, and I wasn't even born in those days, so yeah, man. Like, I'm glad that it sort of did exactly what we were trying to do, right? That's exactly what we were trying to achieve with that video. Honestly, chat, if you haven't seen it right now, make sure you go and watch the video we dropped yesterday. This is probably the best video I've ever made. I'm pretty fucking happy with it. Wait, how do I see it? Oh, yeah. Wait. Yeah, this one, man. Make sure you go watch this video, chat. It's pretty fucking high quality. It's definitely the highest quality video I've made so far. And yeah, it took a lot of time and effort, and I'm very proud of it. So make sure you go watch it. A lot of people you guys have been giving some incredible feedback on it, so I'm very glad about that. Yeah. Right, let me just play you the intro real quick. Like, the intro is fucking crazy. But I was pretty fucking proud of that. I can't lie. I'm gonna try and get some more content like that, you know, some more cinematics, some more drone footage, all that shit. Remember those good old days when I was young? Bro, Mark, you're 15, my boy. That car is way older than you. That car's probably double your age. I mean, that car's older than me, to be fair, so still. That Merc is sick. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, it's a nice little piece. Yeah, that car's way older than me, so... Crazy, actually, to think about. I never thought about it like that. That's the steering wheel on the wrong side. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. He's literally that younger brother. Yeah, he actually is, bro. It's so funny. What Merc is that? It's like a... I don't know the exact model number. I think it's a 1992 Mercedes SL 500 SL, is it? Yeah. I don't know what it is. It might be older than that. It might be 87. Let me see. Oh no, it's not that one. Bro, those ones are fire though. I can't lie. These ones. But it's a 92, I think, something like that. It looks better than this though. These look shit. They got plastic on the bottom. It's like the wait. Yeah, it's this one. It's this one. That's my car, man. Don't go around leaking out. Yeah, my bad. Sick car. Appreciate it, bro. Not a foreign car anymore. It's a Citizen, bro. I know. I'm telling you, it's a second. That's a second generation immigrant right there. Been in the country for like I don't know how many years. How many years old does that make it? 8, 24, 32. 32 years old, bro. Fucked. Mafia boss car. Yeah, bro. Imagine back in the day whipping that around with like a linen suit on. Jeez. Yeah, we got 11 minutes here to this 30-minute close. I'm watching it. Don't you guys worry. I know you guys are talking about wicks and shit. I've seen it. But yeah, man, if we can close up here in 11 minutes, we're good to take buys up. To be honest, I think yeah, we should be good. So keep it locked in. Hopefully, we can get the closure that we need, and if not, then we'll obviously stay patient. Tune it is crazy. I don't even know if they do a fucking tune for it, bro. They probably do, actually. It's a 5-litre engine. It's actually got a bit of boost behind it. A big boy engine. The NOS. That's crazy. Chat, you might see us feel the range here, so be careful. No FOMO, right? Even though we have no top wick, you might feel the range. Did you actually make the blended tuna? No, obviously not, Mark. I just ate some tuna. No chance I blend that shit. Not like you, bro. I'm not a psychopath. Better choose through rears. Nah, it's more of like a cruiser, to be honest, bro. It's not like a sports car, you know. Like it's essentially like a Grand Tourer, I think. Like it's a bit speedy, but it's just meant for long. It's just comfortable as fuck, bro. The seats are literally like armchairs. Like You sit in that shit, you're just like, whoa. I don't know, it's pretty fucking sick. It's got some mad technology though for a 1992 car. It's got like I don't know, loads of shit. Got a phone, cruise control. It's crazy. Trying to place some orders off the fucking car phone, you know, just pick it up out the side. Tell the broker to buy gold now. I just want to say that when there's a lot of volume, no top or bottom wick can mean that it's just no sellers or buyers. So no top wick just means buying is strong. Yeah, it does make sense for sure. It does make sense. Who's the Lord exactly? That's just what. Well, technically he's not the Lord, right? But it's just a good title. His granddad is, or his granddad is at the minute. But like, I wasn't gonna say like grandson of the, you know, it just doesn't make as much sense. It's a way better fucking title. But yeah, man, he's just a guy, like one of my boys. We went to school together. Yeah, we need to pull back a little bit here though if we're gonna get these buys. We need to leave a top wick in 8 minutes time. We're having some rejections over here as well. That could be due to the 15 no top wick. A lot of the times when you have no top wicks, you'll see it come up and make a top wick and then flip down. I'm not saying that it specifically will now, but sometimes you do see that. Call Pelosi to follow up. I'm calling the Bank of China. Yeah, bro. Bank of China, you just need to call Joe Biden, bro. He's got the direct line. He's got the hotline. Chat, definitely potential here, right? So 7 minutes, make sure you're locked in. Make sure you're focused and don't have anywhere to go. And yeah, man. See if we can grab something. Oh, volume. Yeah, you guys know we can't take this, right? With the no top wick, we can't take that. Uh-oh. Did someone order the fill the range special? Like they might have. Said he's gonna dump it only a bit. Yeah, only a little bit. Bro, tell him to give us the perfect setup. Tell him to give us like a little top wick and then a bottom wick and a flip. That'd be ideal. Alright. Say less. Yo, JP. Six minutes, chat. It's a lot of time. It's a lot of time for us to fill the range. Bro, you guys need to go and watch that Trump versus Biden debate too. That shit was hilarious, man. Like, you've literally got the most, probably one of the best presidential debaters ever against probably the least functional president ever. Impulse buys plus 11 pips. Good shit, bro. Good stuff, man. Yeah, I can't take any impulse plays here just because of the wick rejections that we've had, right? There's no promise that we do actually come up all the way here. The only time where I've seen that we do actually come up all the way is if we make a closure inside. So I have to wait for that personally. 5 minutes is closure though, guys. So lock it in. Yeah. SG to use Apex, bro. Nah, not anymore. There you go, chat. There's the fill. There's the fill. Yeah, that makes it a little bit tough. The classic play, chat. unfortunately, not much I could do there. Listen, it goes against every single one of our rules, right? No top wick. And then it pushed up first. And also, it's a 15-minute closure when the hourly closed inside. So, for me, I'm honestly not even bothered about that. There's no chance I could have taken that. I don't understand how people go into drawdown. Why don't you just move your entry? Yeah, that's true, bro. Just what you want to do is, people don't think about this, but what you want to do is you want to buy at the very bottom of the candle, and then you sell it at the top of the candle, and then you have no drawdown. It's so simple when you think about it. I don't know why more people don't try and do that. It's literally like where there's the bottom of the candle and it's not going to go down anymore, and you know that for a fact. That's when you buy, and then you wait for it to get to the top and you sell. I don't know. Something to think about. But yeah, chat, you did fill the daily wick now, so you break those highs, are you going to push higher, or are we going to start to reject here? This is sort of a key level right now. Fucking threw my phone across the room. Yeah, chat, this is an interesting one because we just didn't manage to get that set up. But again, right above, whoa, push in. Volume's going crazy right now. What the? If we can close above 23.30 now, or are we going to start to reject here? Is that what's going to happen? I don't know. But if we can close above 23.30 now, and then grab a bottom wick, yeah, grab a bottom wick, then we'll look to get in that position as well. You've got some room up here to at least, I would say, the minimum 23.32, 23.33. Yeah, somewhere around there. Otherwise, chat, we might start looking for sells, to be honest, if this starts to reject quite heavily. What do you think about funded account? I want to try it out. Yeah, listen, man, it's up to you. If you think you're profitable enough to be able to take it and you can manage your emotions, then do it for sure. Theon just sent the links in. I'd go for one of those two companies. They're probably the most reputable. And yeah, code SG gets you 20% off. But I wouldn't go for a funded until you know that you're profitable, until you've got some data backing your systems, and you know you've got statistics behind all of your trades. That's the most important thing right now. Could you please explain the scenarios for sales you just talked about? Yeah, bro. I mean, look, listen. Every time we come up here, we tap into these areas around sort of, I'd say 23.33, 23.31, which we just tapped. And then you start to see rejections like this. And if you do that, this is essentially just a liquidity sweep, right? You've just grabbed some liquidity from above the range. You come now and you start to close bearish on this 1 hour. You're looking very good for some sales downwards. Daily also flipped and like broke the highs. So if you start to reject here, you're starting to think, why would we break the highs before rejecting? And yeah, man. So essentially, we'll just look for onion plays on a sell down, but I can't take the buys right now. 4 hour, no bottom wick. I believe the next 4 hour will break the lows. Yeah, I've seen gold do this as well, where, like we were saying earlier, I've seen gold come up on the daily, grab a load of liquidity, and then just for some reason just flip back down and, you know, start to break the lows and push. So I'm not saying that we will do that, but it's still a possibility. And yeah, like you said, we need the 4 hour to come down at some point and make a bottom wick, even if it doesn't break the lows. But chat, these are the days, remember, that we were talking about, where you have to stay patient, right? We understand that the setup is coming, you know, it's forming. We didn't get it right now, and that's okay. But chat, like, you know, have to stay patient on this one. No, I can't take buys for the wick fill. That's not in my plan. We tapped into the liquidity area right now. There's no buys right here. For me, at least. Link your funded account to SG signals and you're good. Yeah, that's actually true. I'm playing. But I think if you would have linked your... Yeah, I mean, you definitely would have. If you would have taken every signal, you would have been... so far, what? Let me see. Yeah, you'd be 770 pips in profit, right? If you took even only a one lot on that, on 100k, you'd be 7.7% up. So you'd be like, one lot on 100k is massively under risking too. You'd be nearly past phase one, even if you took only a one lot on 100k. That's fucking crazy. That's actually I didn't even realize that. That's huge. You took a two lot on 100k, which on average, I think you'd be risking like 0.5%, maybe just 1%. You'd be like 14k. That's past phase one and phase two. Yeah, that's crazy. Just showing the signals, man. That's fucking sick. Yeah, man. Looks like I just read that one. What's good, Charlie? How you doing, brother? Yesterday's 4-hour never came back down for a bottom wick. Still hasn't. I know, bro. Yeah, you would think at some point it will. It's just, again, you're finishing off the monthly candle, right? The monthly candle has 12 hours left. Oh shit, that's crazy. The monthly reflipped today and yesterday. I hadn't even looked at the monthly. The question is now, how do you guys expect the monthly to close? Do we think that the monthly is going to get the first bearish close in however long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. First bearish monthly close in 5 months? Or are we going to just continue the bullish streak? You can definitely see the momentum of this push up dying off though. You can definitely start to see that a little bit. Yeah, realistically though, as long as the 4-hour closes above 2328.8 around here, even better above this area, this small area here, it should be good to continue up. That'd be quite a strong closure. Oh, sorry, that's the daily, my bad. Right, what am I talking about, chat? Yeah, similar level on the 4 there, above 2327.8 still. You should be good to continue upwards there, because that's a strong level you're closing into. What's good, Ihan? How's it going, bro? Victory settings. Drop a like, drop a sub. Yeah, thank you, brother. Yeah, chat, victory settings is right, man. So much value here. It's insane. I've got the journal video coming out today. We had the castle video come out yesterday. The little podcast that we did. And yeah, man. Make sure you go and show some appreciation for that, and stick around as well. You're getting so much free value, it's insane. Hello, do you use Discord? Yes, we use Discord, man. There's a Discord here. It's completely free. Just join the link right there. How do you learn to read the chart? I would say go watch my free course, to be honest. But I don't know, if you're asking me how I learn, I just watched over time. I watched YouTube as well. And yeah, I just spent a lot of time trying to figure stuff out. And yeah, that's true. Like what Tyler said, bro. If you just watch candles print over time, like literally just sit on the 30 or the 15 or even the 5 minute, and just watch what they do. Like watch how they move, when they move, what times they move. Like all of that stuff, then you're just gonna get to know, like you just see the pattern starting to form. Same with anything, right? If you watched, I don't know, you sat outside a company building, like a bank or whatever it is, sounds crazy, like a robbery, but you know what I mean? If you sat outside any company's office and just watch what happened. After time, you'd see the patterns of like who goes for lunch when, how many people come in and out the building, all that sort of stuff. So the same with the charts, man. Just like literally watch, wait for the patterns to form. But you have to be conscientious about it, right? We're waiting for closing? Yeah, we are, bro. We are indeed. Yeah, I have to wait for this 4-hour close now, unfortunately. Yeah, I have to wait for that 4-hour close. Damn. Yes, Mark. Let's go Rocket League. Maybe. Not right now. The podcast is nearly on 1K views though. Fucking crazy, man. You guys are loving it. Later? Yeah, maybe later. What are you doing at the weekend, SG? That's a good question, bro. I think that tonight and Saturday morning, I'm just gonna catch up on some sleep real quick. I say that, I'll still be up at like 8. But I'll try to catch up on some sleep, and then I'll go to the gym. Saturday's like a bit more of just a relaxed day. I'll go to the gym, do some like take my time with the workout, enjoy it a little bit more, then go and like, I don't know, get some nice food. And then I'll get back and just do some work in the evening, whether it's like recording some videos. Normally I record on Saturdays and Sundays, so I'll probably record some videos. And then yeah, Sunday I'm gonna do I'm gonna go see my boys. I'm actually gonna go to the castle. I'm gonna go to the castle and see Gabriel again. And a few other of the lads are gonna put up there. We're gonna watch the Euros. He's got like a big TV in there, so I'm gonna go watch the Euros there. It'd be sick. But you know what would be sick? You get like a project it on the front of the fucking castle. That'd be fucking crazy. But yeah, that's about it, bro. What about you, Veg? What's your plans? And chat as well. What are your plans for the weekend? Dylan, I'm struggling to find a strategy. Any recommendations or suggestions? Yeah, bro. Go and watch the free course, man. Go and watch this one and trade our strategy. Pull up to the streams every day. Trust me, it's the simplest but most effective strategy you'll find. You can learn it in a few days if you put your mind to it. And then the rest of it is just watching and learning how to read the charts. Yeah, man, truly, just go watch that and then pull up to the streams every day and you'll learn our strategy, and I'm pretty sure it will change your life, man. Backtest relentlessly. Not a lot, bro. A bit of backtesting, gym, and Euros, yeah. Not a bad weekend, I can't lie. Birthday tomorrow, crazy me. Happy birthday for tomorrow. Good stuff. Ah shit, SG secured 18 on that wick fill. Nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Funny, huh? How it filled the range. DK. First, you saw the little range fill play? They just love it, man. By doing 9 to 5 and trading 5 days, I'm going to sleep and chill and have some beers with my boys. Yeah, fair play, bro. I'm going to be testing some backs out. That's ridiculous from you, Tyler. Ridiculous. Yeah, I presume Michael's playing golf, or is he? That's what I'd guess. I don't blame him, man. It's a lovely weekend for some golf. I might try and play some on Sunday, actually, if I have time. Yeah, Tyler always comes in with the most wild statements. You gotta love it. If you drink, what is your go-to? I don't drink, my boy. I used to a lot at uni and everything, but yeah, I quit that about a year ago. No, not a year ago. That's not true. Actually, when is it? It might be a year ago, you know. Yeah, like I quit. I don't like the way alcohol makes me feel, but until very recently, I'd still drink at like social events. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, go off with friends, we'd have a few beers and everything, but very recently, like a couple of months ago, 3 or 4 months ago, I just cut all of that out as well. Kind of realized that I don't need it, but drunk golf with friends is good. It is one of the most fun experiences you can have. Had a resistance on that 2329.08, looked too good. 2329.08. Yeah, fair enough. I would have said that it closed respecting this level personally, but either way, man, you took the dub, so we'll take it, alright? You'll take it. Shoot me. Oh, because of the golf. Every time we close above this level on the hourly, we filled the range. I know, bro. Yeah, the hourly is clean if we close here. Well, actually, we need to close above 2330. But yeah, we've got room every time we do that. Got room all the way up to 2335, nearly. Actually, yeah, I would say you do. Is it too late to get in buyers? Yeah, Rosie, wait for the 4-hour closure. Stay patient. You got 18 minutes to wait. It's not too long. Because this 4 hours is going to tell you pretty much everything you need to know, right? If the 4-hour closes above 2330.8, then you're every time you fill the range, right? But we close respecting. This is the difference, right? Closing respecting, you push down, whereas closing above, you push up. So we really need to see how this 1 hour and the 4-hour closes. Like, you can see the literal two different options right here. The first one, obviously, you close respecting, and then you start to push down. And then the next one, you know, when you close above, you start to push up. So essentially, we have the same thing here right now. The one is about to make the decision, and yeah, once it makes that decision, whether it's going to be above or below, we sort of have a better idea on where price can go. Oh, that rhymed. A poet, chat. Yeah, drinking low-key sucks. I like to be thinking straight at all times. Bro, trust me, I started feeling like I can't, like... Yeah, it's not the not thinking straight. I suppose it is, but... Yeah, when you get to that point where you, like, don't really know if you're being decent or not. And then also just afterwards you feel like shit, which I don't like. What was your R moment in trading that made you click? There's been a lot of R moments, you know. There's been a lot. But yeah, there's not really like one moment where you're like, oh, now I'm suddenly a trader. But there's things that you recognize and you go, oh, okay. For example, journaling was one for me. Yeah, journaling was one that let me literally just understand. I don't know, it just put me in a mindset to think about the data and think about statistics rather than actual like money and anything. Second one was probably, I would say, understanding mirrors is a huge one. Understanding mirrors and liquidity. And then from a psychology basis, taking one trade a day. Taking one trade a day was like game changer. True game changer. I mean, now I take 1 to 2, maybe 3 if it presents itself, but I don't think I've had a 3 trade day on one account this whole year. I've had a 2 trade day, but yeah, man, it's just I clip it. Yeah, man. But yeah, trust me, honestly, it's a game changer. It really is. Like, you know, you start to put yourself in a better psychological sort of zone, let's say, and it's just gonna help you lock in 10 times easier. 10 times easier, man. Yeah, chat, we're nearly at 3.4k subs. That's insane. That's insane. What are your expectations for Q3? Q3 is always a good year, good quarter. Q3 last quarter was good. Q4 is even better, but yeah, Q3 is normally decent. I'm hoping, because you started to see market cycles change, and they roughly change around each quarter, in my opinion. They're like, Q1 we had very weird market dynamics. We started to push without wicks quite a lot. We started to do very weird sort of movements. Q2 started off well, and then towards the last week or so, when we're getting towards Q3, we sort of start to see a change as well. Start to see more pushes in London rather than New York. So I'm hoping we'll have a nice little market cycle. We'll get some good positions, good volume in London, and yeah, hopefully we're in the bottom wick era, right? Where it just comes and makes those bottom wicks. Hopefully we leave the no top wick era behind. But yeah, no expectations, to be honest, man. Just locking in, and yeah, realistically, trying to achieve everything we need to achieve. What's everyone having for breakfast? And then Joshua, you've said peanut butter and onion toast. Bro, what? That might be the most rogue answer I've ever heard. No shot you're having. That could be, though, one of those combinations that's actually banging. Yeah, I bet it, bro, there's just some weird-ass combinations where it's really fucking nice. I try everything. I will have to. Red or white? It's got to be white. Modafinil and nicotine. Yeah, Jan, stop spreading the secret sauce, my boy. Stop spreading that sauce. Hey man, how long have you been trading for? A little over 3 years now. But I started off trading crypto, and then I moved to futures for a little bit, and then I moved to Forex. So, realistically in Forex, I started around January 2023. So we're sat at I guess a year and a half now, nearly. Couple of shots of test for you this morning, Sam. Brother, I wish. I truly, truly wish. You only trade gold? Yeah, only trade gold. Only gold. Yeah, I noticed that when you start to lock in on one pair and one pair only, yes, you may get fewer opportunities, but not really even. You're going to start to understand that pair way better, and you're going to, it's going to improve your trading 100%. Your trading's just going to be, yeah, massively, massively improved. How many trades do you take a month? I think on average, let me just check the stats here. I think it's between I'd say between 13 to 20 trades a month. No, actually that's a lie. It's way more than that. Sorry. I looked at June, but I hadn't recorded all my trades for June on this journal. I'd say it's around 15 to 20. A slow month would be 15, a good month would be 20. That works out to about 1 trade per day if you think about it. You have you have 5 trading days per week. Let's say on average 4 weeks in a month. I know there's not actually 4 weeks in each month, but you know what I mean. So that's 20 trading days. So you're looking at between 0.75 to 1 trades per day. Wow, you're a swing trader? Nah. No, I'm not. We scalp. Am I a scalper? Or am I a day trader? Day trading, right? I don't actually know, chat. Very patient. Yeah, indeed, bro. I say day trader. I think so. I would probably say day trader. Although we've been taking a few more 15-minute scalps recently, but yeah. I can literally wait a day to take a position. Let me Google this shit, because I've never actually looked up the definitions of each of them. Wait, day trader versus scalp trader. Yeah, so it says like, I feel like we're in between the two, I can't lie. I feel like we're somewhere in between scalping and day trading, because our trades don't take hours or days. And they don't take seconds, really. They take minutes. I suppose we're somewhere between a scalper and a day trader. That's what I'd say. Chat, 30-minute flipped here. Four-hour stops are over 100 pips. Yeah, we're not taking the 4-hour stops, brother. Minute flip though, chat. Every time you've tapped into this area here though and rejected, you've continued down. You at least fill the range, and if not, you push even further. 100 pips is baby numbers. Nah, chat, look at this. I was going to show you this the other day, but yeah, I think I did show it the other day. Look at our stop losses recently, right? So, oh shit. Well, there you are. Our stop loss recently, we've had what? 50 pips, 50 pips, 50 pips, 25, 30, 27, 30, 60, 50, 50, 60. So I'd say we're between 30 and 50 pips per trade for stops right now. Really not bad, man. I'd say that's decent. Intraday trader, that could be it, you know. The term intraday means within the day, as the name itself suggests, purchasing and selling stocks within the same day, also known as day trading. Yeah, it's the same thing. But yeah, I guess yeah, you're probably on point there, Mark. I'll give you it. Now, can we take advantage of some sells here? Come and fill this range. If we close like this on the 30, I'd say yes. You follow the win rate. What does that mean? If I follow the win rate. What do you mean, what is my win rate? Has the journal come out? Nah, it'll come out. It will come out whenever the video is uploaded. So, I'm not sure when that'll be, but sometime today, hopefully. The video's not out today. I'll just release the journal, and then yeah, you guys are gonna have to wait for the video. Because the video explains pretty much how to use it in depth. Tried to make it a short video, but there's so much detail in this journal that even when I was trying to make it short as possible, it was still like 15 minutes, I think. 18 minutes. How many pips when you win? I don't know, brother. Bro, do you give trade to us in the live? Yeah, of course, man. If it forms. If I take a trade, I'll take it with you guys. Yeah. Can you do one at the end of the stream, like a minute's explanation? Bro, yeah. I'll show you guys the journal in like a little bit after this closure, maybe. And then yeah, so if you guys don't want to, actually you should still watch the video, but yeah, just so that you guys know, and you can ask any questions to me right now, I guess. That'd definitely be beneficial. Yo, GeoGuessr today. No chance I'm playing GeoGuessr, bro. What's your profit to loss ratio? You mean my risk to reward? You're going to be shocked when you hear the answer, brother. Technically, it's not negative, it's just decimal. Below 1. On average, we sit around like 0.2 to 0.5 risk to reward. What? No, 0.2 to 0.7. Actually, no, not 0.2. Let me check, actually. It shows you in the trend journal. 0.47, 0.56, 0.69. So between somewhere like 0.3, 0.4 to 1 to 1 RR. That's what I'd say. That's actually a fucking killer joke, Mark. I gotta give you that one. That's fucking hilarious. How old or young should people be to start trading? Over 3 years old, so they don't swallow any candles. That's pretty good. I'll give you it. Bro, start learning as young as possible. Then when you get to like 17, 18, start opening a brokerage account, and then you can trade. People that are like younger, I mean, you can still trade when you're young, but like, just spend like 2 or 3 years learning. When you're 18, you've already got the skill and you're profitable, and then you start making money. You never need to work a job in your life. In 10 trades, how many do you hit TP? Do you mean how many we win? We win probably... We win like 9.2 out of every 10 trades, right? We have a 92% win rate. Okay, chat. 2 minutes here to the 4-hour close. It looks like we're going to close in the range. The 30's deciding whether it wants to close bullish or bearish. Yeah. Just the volume seems to have died a little bit, which is okay. Leave a like, chat. It's free. 67 likes on 170. Yeah, chat. That's true, actually. That's a good point, Florian. Guys, I appreciate you all for pulling up. We're on 180 viewers right now. If I get to at least 100 likes, maybe 120. But yeah, man, drop a like. It's completely free, right? All of this value and the trades and everything is given to you for free. So the least payment I ask for is just a little like button. It really does help out too. It really, really does. But yeah, man. Bro, you look like my mum. That's insane, bro. That is fucking crazy. That's ridiculous, actually. Get this guy out of here. Yeah, SG, look at 6th of June for it looks similar. It rejects exactly the same price. 6th of June. 6th of June, bro, is all the way up here. What? Am I stupid or what? Oh, May 6th. Okay, yeah, I feel you. Hang on one sec. Chat, the 4-hour just closed here. So, bro, ban this guy. Before I just closed here, chat, we're making a bottom wick first, which is interesting. Can we come down a little bit further and then eventually grab that flip to fill this range? We did close above 23.27, right? Every time you've done so, you've filled up to the top of the range, I believe. This time not though. What's good, Jordy? Appreciate you, bro. You should be good to fill the range here if you can grab a decent enough bottom wick. There's no wick entry right now unless we come a little bit further up for me. Further down, sorry. And I need a bigger bottom wick anyway. I'd like to see even like a break of these hourly lows or something. That'd be ideal. Yeah, at the minute, currently, I can't take any positions right now. Lock it in a little bit, chat. I need us to see if we can come down a little bit further and grab ourselves a bigger bottom wick on the 4. Because at the minute we are in no man's land a little bit, I can't lie. You did also close quite strongly bearish on the 30-minute. Interesting. You could sort of anticipate that that would be a rejection similar to all the times we've rejected over here, right? Yeah, we rejected quite a lot of this at level. 6th of June. 6th of May, sorry. Yeah. Similar rejection area, right? Yeah. There's nothing I can take right now, chat, unfortunately. That could be a retest for buyers. Yeah, it could be. And if it is, that's good. But we'll wait for like a... If this is like a retest for buyers, and if we don't come down and make a bigger bottom wick, then I'll wait for like an onion play on the 15 or the 30. Right? I'm okay taking that. But the fact that we don't have really a big enough bottom wick right now is a little bit of a problem. But yeah, I'd rather take something once we do get a bullish closure for buyers. Because right now, what did we grab? We grabbed like about 7 pips of liquidity. Yeah, 7.5 pips of liquidity. That's just not enough really for me. Especially on a 4-hour candle, right, chat? You'd expect way more than that. Or is it just me? Trying to add a poll, will the monthly close doji weak or strong bearish? Okay, that's a good question. Warzone right now. Crazy. Monthly close. What is it? Bullish? Bearish? Doji. Yeah, chat, that was a bit of a tough closure there, to be honest. We rejected really heavily off the off this level here, and we've done that in the past quite a lot. So taking buys for me was a little bit difficult, and even if we were going to take the buys, I would have wanted to see a bigger bottom wick. It looks like we might not get that, and that's okay, but yeah, it's a little bit tough. But what we'll do, chat, I'll wait for the next 15-minute closure. If we get a candle closure or something like this, then we'll look to take buys to continue to fill the range. But realistically, the 4-hour needs to make a decision on where it wants to go right now. Does it want to reject or continue to push up? Like, what would the reason be for us to reject here right now? Like, you have to think, where's the liquidity? After this wick rejection, where is the liquidity? It's probably, you know, to come down a little bit further. Especially since we have no bottom wick on this 4. obviously it can still fill the range. That's not a problem. But again, you have no certainty of whether it's going to do that, right? When we get in that, like now, yes, it looks like, okay, why didn't you take buys? But when you're in that position and before that 4-hour candle's flipped, you don't know if this is going to just, you know, make a small top wick and flip down and continue. You don't know what's going to happen. So it's very easy to get sort of, what's it called, confirmation bias. But just make sure you try and avoid all that. Now, do you guys want to see the journal real quick whilst we wait for the next closure? Yes or no? All right, man. Yeah, before we do show the journal, man, we got 200 people in here right now. Try to get to 125 likes if we can. It really does help us out. But yeah, okay, cool. So this is the journal so far, man. So let me just go back here. This is what you're going to look at when you see the thing. This thumbnail is going to be different. This is just a placeholder, but this is where the video is going to be. So I want you guys to click on that thing and you'll be able to watch the video. Why don't you trade? You wasted 2 setups for buys. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Yeah, so that's where the sort of tutorial is going to be. If you click on that, then you want to come to this welcome and setup page next, right? And you're going to see, wait, let me hang on, I need to do that off screen. I need to log into my actual account that it's on. Right, so yeah, this is the entry page. Obviously you can click on any of these buttons right here and it's going to take you to all of my links. And then you've got the welcome and setup page. So this is where you like customize the journal, right? So for example, you can see all of the stuff here of like what your trade ideas are. These can completely change them. You can completely change them to your setups. Obviously, if you trade differently to me, that's completely fine. You can change all of these. And then once you change them, it's going to change it in the journal, obviously. Secondly, you can change your time zone. Now, you're going to be asking, like, why can I change the time zone? But if you go to the trend journal, right, if I put a trade in here and I say that I took a trade at, I don't know, 1324 or whatever, it's going to tell you what session that was in. And it calculates from your time zone what session you are. So, for example, if you lived in fucking Australia, a trade at midday for you is going to be Asian session, right? But a trade for me is going to be at midday. It's going to be New York or London. By the way, for whoever said, why the fuck didn't you take buys? Take that one, unique. Bro, your bot took the buys. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. But yeah, chat, this is exactly why we didn't take the buys, right? Because we understand that there's rejections at this level right here. And we understand that, to be honest, we've rejected a lot at this point, so we can continue to come down. But yeah, man. Anyway. Yeah, so you can change all of this stuff. After that, change your commission as well. Please stop saying bad words, please. Don't say any bad words. Yeah, after that, you can change your commission per lot, right? And that's going to work out in your final profit. It's going to calculate the commission per lot as well. And then finally, you can change whether you're trading futures or Forex. And you'll see, like, for example, you see, like, it says pips here. And in the statistics page, it says pips everywhere for your stop loss. If you change it to futures, it's going to now, like, calculate all your stuff in ticks rather than pips. So yeah, you can change that one right there, and it's going to change it to like a futures journal, which is pretty sick. And then yeah, after that, we have the trend journal, right? And then essentially this is where you just fill everything out. Yeah, wait, I kind of want to watch price for a bit, but yeah, I'll continue the little tutorial later. Yeah, let's watch price for a bit. Plus, I don't want to bore you guys. I don't want to make you guys bored. But yeah, that's the first 2 pages so far. I'll continue the tutorial later. Well, it's not really a tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys it. Looks sick, mate. Yeah, thank you. But yeah, I need some more oohs and ahs from you guys. So if we can come down below this 23-27 level and take and get closure below here, should be good for some sells. Why is that emoji? Should be good for some sells. There's definitely potential here, right? Bro, people did not like that journal. We dropped off like 40 viewers. So good there. London's so wonky today. Bro, it is weird. But chat, I think if we get a nice closure below this level, we're sitting pretty for some sells. That really does look clean to me. Be sort of mirroring this move here, right? Be almost an exact mirror of that move. 4 hours come up and made a top wick, which is great. Also tapped into this level here where we've rejected off of in the past. Chat, this is one of those days where you got to stay patient, right? Literally one of those days where you just have to remain patient. It's so funny when people say like, why the hell didn't you take buys there? You wasted a setup. And then it's like, oh shit, I'd be in drawdown right now. But yeah, man, part of the game. Interesting, chat. Interesting. I think we don't have the clear direction right now. The 4 hour doesn't really want to know where, where it wants to go. Which makes it a little bit difficult. I think the 4 hour could tap 23.35, but it's better to look at the most recent levels of rejection. Yeah, it definitely could come up and tap there, to be fair. Good. W brother, that journal is going to make life easy. Looks legit. Yeah, I haven't shown you the best parts yet, but yeah, trust me. It does. I think it is going to make life a lot easier. I've blown 33 accounts, small account about 5k, because I'm so desperate to make this work. Do the classic stuff, overtrade. Yeah, bro, I wrote an Instagram post about that yesterday. You need to go check it out. But essentially, the premise is if you want to make this work, then you need to stop overtrading. Because it's counterproductive. What's your end goal? Think about it this way. You have to think about what your end goal of trading is. Like, the end goal of trading is to make money, no? And don't fucking... Some people are going to try to tell me it's not to make money or whatever. Then it is to make money. You're trading to make money, literally full stop. If the end goal is to make money, then you want to do it as quick as possible, then what you should do is do the stuff that helps you make money in the best way. And the stuff that helps you make the money in the best way is not taking stupid trades. Avoiding stupid trades is what's going to make you the most money. Because you could trade and then take a win, and now you've got your profit. But now if you take another stupid trade, you're more likely to lose that than you are to win it. So why would you do that? Why would you risk, like, it doesn't make any sense to me, because you have to be long-term, you have to be like, you know, long-sighted, I'd say, in this game. You can't be short-sighted looking at what your today's profit was, or yesterday's profit, or the week's profit. You have to look at what, you know, the year's profit is going to be. Not even what the year's profit is going to be, what the year's trading is going to be like, what your skill is going to be, and all that stuff. You have to work on that, because, yeah, man, it's just not going to work. That post popped into my head when I wanted to make back my loss this morning. Hey, let's go, bro. That's huge. I'm very glad. I'm very glad that worked. That's literally what it was designed for, right? Hey, what's good, Sammy? Welcome back, brother. This might look like a pixel letters pattern. Nah, not yet, Fion. Not yet, my boy. You're too excited for the pixel letters. Alright, bro, you good? Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. Thank you. 15 closed bearish. I want to see a closure below this range. On the 30, it'd be ideal as well. Below 23.27, we look good for sells. in my opinion. Yeah, we just hit 3.4k subs. That's fucking insane, man. Growing so fast. I know it's not a milestone or anything, but still, like, it shows you the growth is ridiculous. Monthly close battle. Yeah, it 100% is a monthly close battle right now. Been 1 year since I started, and looking at old trades made me laugh. Came a long way since almost a year of knowing you to SG. Yeah, bro, I appreciate that, man. And that's true, bro. You came a long way. Well, we all did, right? It's pretty sick. Yeah, you're killing it, man. Keep pushing. Manor house giveaway today, chat. Yeah, trust me, I'm giving away a stately home. Giving away a castle real quick in today's episode. Volume is dead right now. Yeah, I know. Bro, you know what's funny though? If you did give away a castle like that, if you give away that castle, for example, firstly, the person would have to pay crazy taxes. Secondly, he told me that just the staff alone, like just the staff they have to pay to like maintain the house and the gardens and all that stuff. He said just that alone, not even like the materials or the energy bills or any of that, just that alone is over £1 million. How fucked is that? That's insane. £1 million just in staff to like maintain the house. Really doing some reflection going into the next year of life. I'm locking in differently. Yeah, 100%. Mia, what I always do on my birthday, yeah, every single time it's my birthday, I sit down and I write, okay, my goals for being age 23 or goals for being age 24, whatever it is, whatever age I'm turning. And then I say, by the time that I turn the next, whatever it is, by the time I turn 24, I want to have achieved this. And I write them down. I literally have them stuck just here on this wall. And yeah, that really helps me out, I can't lie. Make sure they're like very detailed goals. I actually need to redo mine. I hit most of them. He cuts the grass himself. No, yeah, he likes. I don't know. I think he likes gardening or whatever. So he just works in the gardens with the people there. Yeah, kind of sick. Taking it day by day at the minute, working, trading, whatever comes along. Yeah, true. It's good to have end goals though. 100% it's good to have end goals. Since we took out the previous weekly low, bears have been weak. Yeah. We just took out the previous daily high though, so who knows? I'm looking at this mirror for a rejection if we can close below 23.27.8. I'll stay till like 11ish. If we don't if it doesn't play out by 11, then I'll probably call it, but yeah, we should have some potential here for sure. Low bleed to 23.23 likely. Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind taking it a while. I don't mind it taking a while, sorry. But yeah, potentially. If someone just commented, pretty sure I've been here in Forza Horizon 4. That's funny as. I've never played that game. Is there a castle in it? Imagine if it was there. But I'm pretty sure as well, he told me that they shot, they filmed, I don't know if they filmed Mission Impossible or something there. Like, what's that guy? That weird celebrity, man. Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise? That's his name? Why does that sound really weird to me right now? Yeah, Zionist Cruise. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, he stayed there apparently. Apparently he paid like, I don't know if I meant to tell you guys this. Apparently he paid like 50k to rent it out for a week or something. Crazy. We won't tell. It doesn't matter anyway. He's yeah, bro. He's a Scientology. Is it Scientology? Is that what it's called? Why do these words sound weird to me right now? It's Scientology. Why is it with these bearish 5 minutes, no top wick? Price is weird. Yeah, man. It will come up and grab a top wick. It's just going to tap into this level, I think. But chat, we have 8 minutes. Oh, okay, maybe not. Chat, we have because they are, yeah, trust me. We have 8 minutes to this closure right now. If we can close below on this 30-minute, grab a decent top wick. Not even a decent one, just grab a top wick in general. I like sells here, to be honest. You're anticipating that the 4 hour needs to come down further, even if it did want to drive up, right? 4 hour needs a bigger bottom wick. Last time you closed here, the 4 hour tapped into at least, I would say, down here at 23.24. So yeah, if we can get that closure in 8 minutes time, chat, lock it in a little bit. That'll be good. I was taking, yeah, I know. I'm doing my best, but I think for me to even see profit and make money, it's going to take years doing this. So I don't have any plans until that happens, unfortunately. Yeah, I agree, but I don't know. I think you gotta just give yourself goals of like, even just like, I stuck to my plan this week, or I stuck to my plan this month, or whatever it is, or, you know, just give yourself little achievements. Otherwise, what, like, you've got no motivation, really. What's the name of the castle? I'll DM you at victory settings. I'm pretty sure you can figure it out, but I don't know if this guy wants people to know, to be honest. So, I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's my third year learning Forex. Hey, let's go, bro. This is the year for you. This is my year, man. What you gotta think? I only went full margin once today. We'll start full margins anonymous. Like AA meetings, but call it FA meetings. You have to introduce yourself to the group. You have to go, my name's Josh. I'm addicted to going full margin. Visualizing is one of the best. Yeah, bro, I need to start visualizing stuff like that more. You started at 10 years old? That's insane, bro. Good shit, man. That's huge. Let's see the chat. Can we get a nice closure in like 5 minutes time? It's time to lock it in a little bit. Yeah, man. We started showing people the journal. Everyone's like, fuck that. That's data. I don't want to listen to that. He's not going to give me a trade. Get the fuck out of here. But yeah, man. 6 minutes to this close. Time to lock it in a little bit. So tired of scams in my country, bro. I'll be online with you daily. Whatever it takes to live a better life. Let's go. Hey, let's go, bro. Yeah, good stuff. Just pull up every day, man. It's free. You can't get scammed on this one. Pull up every day. Come and, yeah, try and take notes. Learn as much as you can, and then, yeah. Been trying to get my little bro interested in trading, but he doesn't feel it. Hopefully in the future. Start showing him that you're making bank, and then he's going to be interested in it. Bro, I wish that I fucking, I wish that I started learning trading when I was like 15, 17 or whatever, you know? That'd be insane. I only started when I was like 19, 20. I think I was 19, actually. Shit, so it's been almost 4 years then. I was trading like crypto and shit. Let's go, I'm the GOAT, 14. Yeah, that's nuts. GG's, bro. Oh, chat. If this 5 flips, you might see a big push. Might see a big push if this 5 flips. If we can come and close below this level here at below 23.27, grab a top wick to around, like, I would say 23.28.4, somewhere around there. And then, yeah. I'm the rug puller, that's crazy. Free rug puller, you know. Insane. It's the move though, chat. Let's see. We're getting a setup. I feel like you've fucked it now, Mark. That's you've jinxed it. If we don't get a setup now, it's all Mark's fault. Completely Mark's fault. Okay, you gotta go and viciously blame him. You think what Roaring Kitty did was unethical? What did he do? Did he sell? I haven't really been looking at it. Did he sell? I don't think so. I think a lot of it's weird. This guy was up. I don't know. I don't think he's out to like scam people. He might be, but he was up 230 mil or something and didn't sell. So yeah, man. Right, we have a closure in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll be back in literally 1 second. In a sec. What? Yeah, we're back. So shit, my fucking wires. What's the move here, chat? We've got 1 minute to this closure. Are we gonna close above or close below? It looks like we're gonna close above right now. See what this 5 minute does, right? You got 1 minute. Looking for buys, bro? Nah, not yet. I'm looking for sells. We can close below this candle right here. I'll look for sells. But again, Mark's jinxed it, bro. He's fucked it for us. I'm playing. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see, chat. Lock it in here, man. 45 seconds for this close. Stops are looking... previous 4-hour high, maybe. I mean, technically, you could go this current high. I'd rather... Let's see, chat. Let's see what we do. I think stops above the previous high should be better, though. Yeah, that's still only 45 pips. We leave a top wick, though, chat. 7 seconds here. Leave a bottom wick, sorry, and we need a top wick on the open. Okay, chat, we just opened here. What are we going to do? Came down a bit first. Can we come up and make a top wick? Please? I'm playing, chat. Let's see though, what are we gonna do? You might just see a drive here. But again, chat, I can't take it if you got no top wick. Doesn't even need to be that big. There we go. Okay, chat, I'm gonna place a sell stop on the break of these lows here. Based off the fact that we came up, made a top wick on this candle right now. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so chat, I've placed a sell stop right now. We're not in yet, not activated yet, obviously. On the break of this candle low right here. Let me just put sell stop quickly so you guys don't keep spamming out. Is he in a trade or not? Template, sell stop, not activated. Stop loss is going to be above this 4-hour high right here. Take profit is going to be down at the bottom of this range here. So I think we have room to come down to 2322.7 at least. And yeah, break even will be 2327.5. No, it won't. Sorry, that'll be 2326.3. That was the other level we had right there. There's no wick entry though, chat, because it's on the 30 minutes, and I'm not too big of a fan of a 30-minute wick entry here. Okay. Mr. Money Man, let's go. That's crazy, man. Now, let's see if we can flip here. What's the difference, actually? Oh, chat, it's like a pip difference. I actually want to put... Sorry, chat, I'm going to move the sell stop to the break of the previous candle low. It's literally like a pip difference, but I do want to see that low get broken. So I'm going to put that there. It's literally like 1 pip's difference. Yeah, because if you can break that low, then that's even better. You'll be re-breaking the hourly lows, and that's very important. So I do want that to be done. So yeah, 27.4, 23, yeah, around that area. Perfect. And we flip here. From now on, I'm Mr. Manipulator. I'm not sure you want that title, my boy. You might want to clarify that you're talking about the market manipulation, not just people or women. You got a lot, bro. You're only 15. You got a lot of time in life to be called manipulators. Be called a manipulator by a woman. Chat, we just flipped here. Didn't break the lows just yet, though. Getting crazy, Mark. That's crazy. Chat, drop a like if you're enjoying the stream so far. 180 people in here. The Telegram warriors have just jumped in. Yeah, man. That's crazy, man. So, chat, we flipped, but we didn't break the lows, and we started to come back up here. So, it's a good thing that we moved that sell stop there. Actually, a very good thing. But yeah. Now, we have room to come down here till, yeah, 23, 26-ish. But let's see what happens here. That's a good enough top wick. That's a great top wick. Like we said, there are no wick entries here. Maybe if the same thing forms on the 1, then yeah, you can look to take a wick entry. How much risk do you enter each trade with? 1% risk. 1 to 2%, let's say. Can we see a flip here, chat? If we believe, then maybe. Not activated. In case anyone wanted to say anything. How long will the sell stops be valid? Bro, I'll wait until close to the end, to be honest. Close to the end of the one. Because also, if the one looks like it's going to close below, then, you know, it'll probably be valid as well. I'm going to push in 3, 2. Crazy. Imagine I just did it then. I'd have to call you Magic Mark. Sell stop 23, 27.3. Am I correct? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, around that area. I think mine's actually 0.4, but oh no, it's 0.3. Yeah, it's 0.3. Just a waiting game now, chat. If we start to get some closures inside, back above the range, then yeah, maybe we'll look at deleting. But for right now, trade's still very valid in my opinion. Oh, we're looking to flip here. Yeah, you did just flip. Can you break the lows though? Can you break the lows? That's the real question. I didn't break the lows yet. That's crazy. I'm not activated here still, chat. I didn't get tapped in at all. Still not activated. Crazy. Okay, now I'm activated, chat. All right, we got in sales here, chat. So we got in sales with off that 30-minute break of the lows right there. Stops again, like I said, are going to be up here at 23.22, 23.32. Sorry. Take profit's going to be down here at 23.22. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Let me see a push here though. Did just break the lows, so you should be good to push. Wait and see though, chat. Let's wait and see. You start to reject a little bit. Okay, a lot now. But you broke the lows, so in my opinion, I don't know, you should be looking good. What broker to use? I use Hero FX, bro. Just type exclamation mark broker and you can see it. There's a lot of volume that just came into the market right then though. Oh, the 5. I didn't see that, but we should be okay. It's not based off the 5. Okay, chat, I'm deleting the sell stop. It's still not activated. How? That's crazy. Fair play though. Fair play. Yeah, we got tapped in there. Has not broken lows on black bull markets. I don't use that, bro. But also, Owanda's probably the main chart that you should be using, right? Have you entered already? Yeah, I'm in sales right now, so... Yeah, we got activated. I don't know if that was a slippage or something. I don't think it was. Maybe my stop was just a little bit higher than yours. I don't know. Mine was literally on the break of the lows at 23.23. 27.3, sorry. Change template. What template? Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Let me delete that. My bad. Good, thank you, Mia. Let's see what happens here, chat. Listen, if this trade is a win, good stuff. Remember to risk appropriately, right? This trade's not going to make or break us. And even if we lose this trade, we're still finishing off the quarter very strongly positive. So don't worry about that at all. Listen, this trade is part of my plan. I'm more than happy to take this trade. And yeah, if you take a loss, you have to bear the responsibility. You're the one who clicked the button. But if you take the win, you get to take the glory, right? That's all I'd say. That's my standard disclaimer. The standard SG disclaimer right there. Are you in the trade? Yeah, I am. We're in these cells right now. So what happened to the 5? The 5 closed. The 5 closed respecting, so not ideal really. But yeah, again, like we said, trade's not based off the 5. It's based off of the 30-minute, and also expecting a 4-hour to grab a bigger bottom wick, right? That's what we're basing this trade off of. If this trade does end up being a being a loss, just remember it's still a win because we stuck to our plan, right? Very looking to manage risk. I'll look to manage off the next closure. We'll see though. We'll see how it closes at 11. Sorry, yeah, 11 o'clock ish. Also, chat, if you don't understand the trade, feel free to not take it, right? Feel free. We're basing this trade off the mirror of the previous candles to the left. But listen, we also understand that there's a potential for this 4-hour to continue bullish. Even though we have rejected at this point many, many times, there's always potential to do something else. So understand that there's, can go either way, but yeah, I suppose it can. B points 2326.3, yeah. Exactly there. Yeah, drop a like if you're new, subscribe as well. I appreciate you all pulling up today. Yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good day, right? And if not, then who cares? It's been a good quarter. It's been an incredible quarter, actually. I think we're like way over 400 pips up. Actually, wait, when was the start of this quarter? March. Okay, crazy chat. We're 700 pips up this quarter. That's fucking crazy. 700 pips up this quarter alone. We started the signals in February. If you take out the first trades, the first 5 trades. This is the old journal, by the way, chat, not the new one. Take out the first 5 trades. Most of them are break evens anyway, but let's just take them out for the sake of it. That's 55 pips. And yeah, 750 total. So we're 700 pips up for the whole quarter. That's not a bad fucking quarter, I can't lie. Not bad, eh? So yeah, chat, stick around if you're new. So much free value here, it's ridiculous. Journal's coming out later today, so make sure you're on the waiting list for that. And yeah, that's about it. Interested to see how the 15 closes here, though. Only thing might happen is you might get caught in a fake out. But we'll see if we can potentially manage risk there. You no longer bro, I trade the way I trade, right? I trade the same strategy that I've always traded still. Hey chat, we're seeing a little bit of drawdown here, but nothing too major right now. Don't lose hope yet. Hourly did flip. Let's see, chat. At the end of the day, whatever happens is going to happen. Drawdown's good for the ego, yeah, exactly. And we know that we stuck to our plan, right? We understand that we stick to our plan, and we, the trade was a good trade, in my opinion. So, yeah, man, your stop's still not activated. And you're chilling, bro. Yeah, a lot of people's stops didn't get activated, which is fine. I think we just got spreaded in a little bit. Pause. You know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. Crazy. Okay, 5 no top wick's a decent sign. Or are we just going to rip straight up to stops here? Maybe. But then again, who cares? Just start to see a rejection around here if you're going to see one. Have to get your training journal. I already joined the waiting list. It's the journal free. Yeah, the journal's completely free. And yeah, you're on the waiting list already, right? So when it gets released, you'll automatically get access. I'll remove the waiting list, and you'll all get access straight into the plan. I think there's like over 100 people on the waiting list right now there, which is crazy. Fucking insane. Let's see here, chat. We might have got caught in a fake out. Potentially. Starting around 20 pips of drawdown right now. 22 pips of drawdown. Yeah, also, I want to say, just even if we end this quarter off with a loss, right, that doesn't mean that you ended the quarter badly. When I say you want to end the quarter well, it doesn't mean you have to take a win today. If you take a loss today, that's fine, but we ended the quarter well by sticking to our plan. That's what we mean. You understand? Ending the quarter well doesn't necessarily mean that you take a huge win, you know? Staying disciplined and sticking to your plan is ending the quarter well. Even if this trade loses, I'm going to be proud of how you all end the quarter and how you've done over these few months. Still got potential to come down here though, chat, I can't lie. 15 still got no bottom wick. Up and into a rejection area. Yeah, nah, Joshua was right. It doesn't really affect your entry, but sometimes you can get slipped into trades still. Cup and handle pattern on the 1 hour, plus we respected the monthly support. Fair play, bro. I don't trade cup and handles, but if that's what you see, then that's what you see. Cup and handle. That's like... Is that it? I don't know. Monthly support, you know. Yeah, we based the trade off of a mirror of a previous push, right? You'll see that every time you close sort of down in this area here, you started to rip down. So, again, that's what the trade was based off of, right? Yeah, it could push up for sure, but you know, sometimes you get it wrong. But chat, we still haven't got it wrong yet, right? We've got 10 minutes towards the end of the hourly. What is your strategy? I trade breakout, support and resistance, and price action. So I have a free course on my strategy if you want to go check it out. It's on YouTube. So you should go to the link that's about to be sent in there, and it shows you essentially the entire strategy that we trade. But the main thing that teaches you the strategy is these streams, right? Where's this company based? I live in the UK. Can I use your prop firm link? Yeah, bro, of course. The prop is based in the UK, both of them. Alpha Capital Group and Funded Trading Plus are both from the UK. They're both London based, which is why I chose them. Monthly flip, damn, yeah, I know, bro. Yo, Mark, get on the phone to the JP real quick. Go call Jerome. Tell him to push the price down. She's in sales. Push the price down real quick. This is also the reason why I didn't put the stops just above the previous 30 high, because I believe we could break this high and still rip down, right? I'm not saying that we will. We could just continue, but 4-hour stops are still small, right? It's still only 47 pips. Yeah, man. This will be the biggest loss we've taken this quarter, but at the same time, still doesn't even wipe out the, I don't know, doesn't even wipe out the last 3 trades we took, so minor. Very, very minor. Interest rates 50-year high, gold flies down. Come on, Jerome. Yeah, trust me. Sniper drawdown trade, bro. We love a sniper drawdown. Give me a sec. Called him. He said he'll try his best. Tell him to go do a speech real quick. Surprise speech. I would think about it this way too, chat, as well. If you do end up taking a loss here, that at least means that you don't start the next quarter off with a loss. Rather, if you took it on Monday, now you can start the next quarter off with a win. Mind games. My strategy is SMC, and I'm waiting change of character on the 1 minute to enter sales. Nice, bro. Change of character on the 1 minute. I don't know how any of that works, but hopefully it plays out for you, my boy. Let me see this 15 flip. Would be rather nice. Took a lot of liquidity before it goes down. Damn gold. Yeah, well, you might see it push up. Who knows? It might just actually decide to push here, but it's grabbed a lot of liquidity from the upside and not much from the downside, which is why what this trade was based off of, right? You have pretty much no liquidity grab from below, which you would expect to do. You would expect it to do, right? Even though it is gold and sometimes it just moves how it wants to move, you'd still expect it to, you know, need liquidity. Very hard to take 2 hours with a 92 hit rate. Yeah, but it's not impossible. Not impossible. Which is why you still need to manage risk appropriately, right? Because yeah, I agree, it's difficult, but everyone will be like, oh yeah, he wins 92% of the time or 90% of the time, whatever it is, so you can over risk. But then if that time comes where you do take 2 losses in a row, then you're fucked. And then you're in trouble, you know? You have to risk appropriately. Oh fuck, dropped it. Five-minute closes in about 8 seconds. We close bearish, that'd be nice. As long as you start to see some bearish closures, you know, it's not, I mean, it's a good sign, but it's not like changing the whole fucking structure of the market, right? Because you can just still push up straight after it. But once you get those bearish closures, you can start to think, okay, at least we're not just completely But the buyers are completely in control, right? There is some sort of selling pressure that can maybe jump back in. Who knows yet? Their chat. Just a waiting game right now. Yeah, drop a like though if you haven't already, man. I appreciate you all very much. Let's try to get to 150 likes. Hopefully this trade can play out nicely if we get to 150. That's what I've heard. What JP said. How it was when I started watching. Yeah, bro. When you started watching Dom's stream. Now I feel that. Let's look at the 5 here, chat. It looks a little bit nicer. Coming up to 4 minutes away from the 1 hour close here. And the 1 hour is going to close pretty strong bullish, I can't lie. So it might be time for us to figure out a way to manage risk if we do close like that. We could potentially look at trying to get out on a bottom wick. Or if this 15 can flip before the closure, then we can look at continuing in the trade, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Yeah, 2 hours in a row, yeah. What he meant, not what we have. That's half for now. Nah, I'll wait and see what happens. We'll wait and see what happens here, chat. I want to just wait for the closure. Can I sell entry now, dude? I wouldn't, bro. I wouldn't. Unless you have a strategy that's showing you that sells are valid right now, then if so, then yeah, do it. I'd also like to see how we react off the top of this range as well. You might see just another rejection here and a push down. Not saying that you necessarily will, but you might. What's your win rate for this year? Win rate for this year is 92. Oh wait, let me see. %91.67% so far this year. Nice. It's broken in this trade since she's having FOMO. I don't know. It's a very impressive win rate for someone so young. Thank you, Grams. Appreciate that, brother. Yeah, I've just been told the journal video is uploaded right now. So, after stream, I'll get that all formatted, get it ready to go. And then the journal should be ready to go in about an hour's time or so, I'd say. It's great. Maybe it's the opposite bias that's fucked us. Yeah, maybe. Let's see what happens here. Maybe the one closes without a top wick, and maybe you see a little bit of a change up here. We are sat in about 30 pips of drawdown there right now, chat. Trade maybe an L. Yeah, it might be, brother. It might be. That's fine. This candle's ooh, yeah, I know, bro. Chat, listen. If this trade turns out to be an L, then that's what it is, right? That's literally all it is. No problemo. Yeah, we closed no top wick. Pretty much. So I'm not going to manage here, chat. I'm going to wait and see. We're pretty much we're close to stops right now anyway, so we're about 17 pips away. But You close no top wick, so could that be an indication that we have no more room to drive up here? Could you see a bit of a plot twist? Someone asked about pineapples. The pineapple only right now that I would see, or that, let's say the extra position only that I can see right now, is if we get something like a 30-minute or a 15-minute bearish closure and then a top wick and an onion play to come back down, then we'll look to try and get out at sort of break even-ish. But that's all I can see right now. Until then, there's nothing. Seen a bit, Spion. Seen a bit, bro. Let's see though, chat. Are we going to survive? Are we going to see a plot twist? Are we going to hit those stops? What do we think? Could be either right now, to be honest, chat. The only thing that's looking nice is this 1 hour no top wick. Potentially expect to see a mirror of a trade like this. Sorry, of a play like this. But who knows? Or you'll see something like this as well. Why is drawdown such an evil thing in the internet trading scene? I don't know, bro. I think people want you to be perfect. I think people want to be like, want you to be absolutely perfect. It's strange. Oh. Right, Jay, that's funny. How long are you into the markets? About 1.5 years now in Forex, but in trading about 4 years. It'll be frustrating if it doesn't touch the hourly flip. Yeah, man. It should, we'll see here, chat. We'll see what happens. But if we start to rip up here, then yeah, maybe might be a bit of a tough one. How many pips away is that? Tempted to move my stops down a little bit, chat, just to manage a little bit more risk, right? But at the moment, I'm not going to, because I want to see. I feel like we can tap into this level first. I don't want us to do that, obviously, but I think we can and then still reject. But yeah, man. Added a sell on the closure of the 1 hour. Hopefully, it was based off of a specific plan and not just an average entry, right? I don't really take many pineapples, and if I do, they have to be based off of a genuine entry. Hourly one closed below, no top wick. Yeah, it did close below, technically, and it closed, yeah, no top wick, like we said. When you've closed in this area before, you've seen it push down, so hopefully we can start to see something like that. And if so, we'll look to grab another position, right? We start to get like a 30-minute closure bearish. We'll look to try and, you know, grab that next position to bring us down, but until then, I have to manage off closures only. Could have been a good 4-hour wick, yeah. I have the feeling gold just picks direction and drives though, so I'm not really too sure right now. Don't get too excited if this starts coming down. Don't get too excited. I know what it's like, but this 1 hour could flip at any point, right? Even though we've got no top wick, it still could flip at any point. I'm not going to extend stops or anything. Maybe you could survive it if you put your stops all the way up here, but I'm not about that, right? So we're going to keep our stops where they are. And yeah. Might hover at this range, then drop it pre-NY. Yeah, it might. Or it might just rip up, bro. Might do either right now. To be honest, we don't have emotions in trading because we're more than 2 years in this business. Yeah, true. You get used to it, right? It's like anything else, but it's just practice. It really is just practice, right? And the more you do it, the better you get. Cool. Chat. See what happens here. 5 minutes, just grab the top wick. 5 minute can flip. Hopefully we can continue to push down. You might need to see some more drawdown there. You might have to tap into this 23.30 at least if we are going to come down. What news? Oh, there's news later, but it's at 1:30. We've got lots of time. We've got an hour and 2 hours and a half until then. So, I mean, if we're still in by then holy fuck. I think, yeah, we'll definitely be out by that point. I'm not trying to do a full stream today. This was meant to be a wind down, relaxing stream. When you're in profit, the trade moves so fast, but the drawdown always takes forever. Yeah, I don't know if that's a psychological thing or not, but yeah, it feels like that. It also feels like, yeah, I agree actually. You know what I thought about the other day as well? You know when you're in profit and you want to push down? Oh no matter what, when you're in a trade, when it's pushing against you, it seems like it pushes so fast. But when it pushes with your trade, it seems like it just dribbles down, you know? But to be fair, sometimes it is actually the case. Still haven't got that strong injection of bearish interest. Yeah, I know. But we'll see, bro. We had it here. We had the mirror forming. I still stand by this trade, chat. It was 100% valid in my opinion. 100%. Listen, we'll just wait and see, chat. Obviously, our stops are the daily high, right? So if you start to break that, you're like, okay, this trade's definitely invalid. But right now, I mean, yeah, let's see. So with the 4 hour as well, you did close above the level on the 4 hour, but every time you've closed here, you've tapped into it around this area here, around 23.30, maybe a little bit higher, and then you've decided to rip down, or at least you've come to, you know, a little bit further before you have pushed up. So yeah, it's an interesting one. Whether we decide to just push up or not, who knows? Like I said though, chat, this is why you don't get like super excited when it starts to push down, because it can push down and then just instantly reject. So until we get to where our entry is, we're not too stressed. We did have a bit of a spike in the volume there though. We broke the lows as well, which is nice. Hopefully we can just do that again. Next 5 minute closes in about a minute here. I got my TP at B and closed half. Gonna head out. Alright, in a bit, bro. In a bit, Joshua. Wait, what, for sells or were you in buys? Crazy. GG's though. Can we see a push here, chat? Volume's just died off as well, like completely. See what we do here, chat. Sell same as you. Okay, fair play. You can't get the perfect entry. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. Yeah, you know you can't get the perfect entry. Yeah, that's a great 5 closure, though. It's a really nice 5 closure. Strong bearish close on the 5. The next 5 popped up and is now flipped. Yeah, we don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. I want to wait to see some closures here. But yeah, let's see what happens, man. Right now, all we can do is watch. Can we get a 24-hour stream? It's not possible, man. The market closes in less than 24 hours, but I'd love to do one. Actually, it wouldn't. I think it'd be fucking horrible. I just have to go and like Actually, I just eat on stream and shit. I'm gonna sit this one out, bro. I've been taking L's since this morning. If I don't stop and watch, I'm gonna blow my account. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Good. That's a smart decision. Sit down and watch the trade play out, or watch us take this loss instead. I'm joking, chat. It's not necessarily a loss, but watch us take this trade instead. The get yo's here, chat. We might flip. We better be on 150 likes if we're sat in drawdown. I'm not gonna sit here in drawdown and not have likes. I'm playing. Chat, the castle video nearly just hit a K views already. That's insane. So sleepy right now. Either it hits stop loss or gives us some pips. By the way, not bothered if stop loss hit. Yeah, exactly, bro. Good mentality, my man. Good mentality. It's interesting, chat. Like, part of being a trader is taking losses. Maybe we have a bit of a like skewed perception of it because we don't take that many. But this is part of the game. You have to be grateful for the losses as well as the wins, man. You have to be grateful for it all. So we're nearly flipping on this 15 here. Okay, we flipped here, chat. That's kind of interesting. You trade after your workouts or before? I trade both, brother. I trade before right now for London and then after for New York. So normally I go between London and New York to the gym. However, since I'm streaming today for a bit longer and we're sat in drawdown, I might not have time, but we'll see. Yeah, chat, someone just messaged. Oh, wait, no, actually, I can't say that. God, this is crazy, man. We're growing at such a fast rate. Nearly at 3.5k. Nearly at 3.5k subs here. You learn a lot through losses. They should be viewed as a credible business expense. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. What was All right, we came back to like 21 pips. Chat, might hit stops here. We're about, I don't know, 12 pips off stops, something like that. Yeah, something like that, chat. Listen, if we do hit stops here, GG's, man. It is what it is. I'm not too fussed about it. Manage risk appropriately. It was a valid trade in my eyes and still is. Just so happened that it didn't play out. The market didn't want us to take that today, but you can't complain about that, chat. It's just one of the parts of the game that you have to kind of stick by. Yeah. There's no management for me here though, chat. I can't lie. We're only 10 pips away. I'd rather see if this plays out and comes down a little bit further first and rejects, because this is the area where we expected some rejections, right? So I'd rather, if you want to close as well earlier, then you can. We're only 10 pips away, but still, this is an area where we might show some rejections. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's see here, man. This 15 flip. Can we get a fake out play maybe? Chat. I'm just playing right now. This is most likely to hit stops here. But if the 15 does flip and close in, it's a very, very big long shot. If the 15 does flip and close back into the range, then you might be all right. But that is probably a little bit far away. A little bit far-fetched, I'm trying to say. So don't get excited about it. We'll most likely hit stops here, chat. This is going to be our second loss on stream. Third loss on stream, okay. Not too shabby. Still finishing off the week the quarter very, very strong, right? We're still going to be 650 pips up this quarter. Alright, don't let this taint your perception of how you're doing this quarter. We still finished 650 pips up this quarter, which is just fucking crazy. Yeah, man. Sometimes you just have to pay your dues to the market. You have to pay like a little entrance fee, let's call it that. Just to play the game, right? Or like a membership fee. Yeah, we're so close. Literally like 2 pips away. 2 pips away. Oh, like 4 pips actually, I think. Let's see what happens, man. If we get into buys here, is it considered revenge trading now, right? It depends. If you get a position for buys, then yeah, you can take it. But like for example, if this 1 or the 30 closed above, then yeah, you can look at taking those buys for sure. I probably won't, just because I don't like trading straight up one after the other. Just eliminate any actual, like, you know, possibility of the of a revenge trade playing out. Let's go down. Yeah, trust me. Yeah, we might break the highs here, and if we do, we're probably going to hit stops. I'm just going to push my stop. No, actually not. I was going to push it up 2 pips in case we break. There you go. All right, chat, that stops hit then. That stops hit. I think you might sweep the highs and come back down, but I was gonna adjust it, but nah, it's too late now anyway, chat. So that stops hit. We lost 47 pips there, so 47 pip loss. Not a problem, chat. Listen, that's completely fine, okay? That's part of our plan. We took the trade according to our plan. We risked appropriately as well. And yeah, look at that, chat. See, so when we broke that high, we were sure we were gonna rip there. So yeah, no problem at all. And listen, that's going to be it for me from today. We'll play some pixel letters in a friend. Subscribe if you're new. Even though we took a loss here, you understand that that's not the normal situation that we have. And even if we did take that loss, we had a good sort of educational and valuable stream. I'm going to go and journal this trade. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see the journal, I can show that now actually. Good point. Let me just load that up. Yeah, so I'll finish off showing the journal thing, and then then yeah, what we'll do is we'll play some Pixel and we'll call it a day. But chat, that's gonna be it, man. That's gonna be it for the quarter. It was a great quarter. I'm very proud of you all for the way that you've improved over this quarter. You've absolutely been killing it. If you do want to leave early before we play the game and show the journal, then fine, just drop a sub on your way out. And yeah, man, F. Nah, no F. We didn't take an L there. We took a win. We took a win because we followed our plan, right? There's no issue at all. Cool. So yeah, chat, I was showing you the journal, right? So essentially, I may as well just fill this trade out right now. Oh shit, wait, I gotta change accounts again. It always loads me up onto the wrong account, I don't know why. Cool. Just jumped in to say hello, can't wait to use the journal. Yeah, what's good, Max? Yeah, bro, so, or chat, sorry. So, I showed you the welcome setup page earlier, right? And essentially that's where you're going to customize the journal, change your starting balance, your time zone and everything. Then we're going to go and put today's date. What is it? The 27th, 28th today. So the 28th for the 6th. Standard stuff, right? Oh, it's not 2023, it's 2024. Then you just put obviously what pair you trade. Right, gold. What time do we take that trade, chat? Let me just check the signals. Signals tells me the exact time. Look at 10:30 a.m. right? So you put 10:30. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong chat. 10:30. And it's automatically going to put London session because it's calculated from my time zone as well. Then we took sales. This is just a set lot. I didn't actually pop a 0.5 lot, but I just put the same one every time. Then what was it? We took a breakout on the 30-minute. We took a we took a break of the previous high or low on the 30 as well. Now the higher time frame confluence was what we took. We essentially were anticipating a wick on the 4-hour. Stop loss basis was the overall range, and it was 47 pips. Stop loss time frame 4-hour again, and the break even point was a minus support resistance. Did we get to break even? No. Great idea. What did we do here? We filled. If you have any questions, by the way, chat, just fire them out right now. And yeah, trade idea. What did we take? We were expecting to fill the range. So that liquidity grabbed was previous candle had a large wick for exactly 47 pips. Partial closes no. We finished off 47 pips minus. It's going to tell you that's an L. It's going to show you how much you would have lost, obviously, if it was a 0.5 lot, percentage wise as well. Oh wait, what's it doing? Okay, no. And what do you mean not now, my boy? And then we had stop loss hit, right? So that was the reason. Drop the journal first. True. Nah, we're good, bro. It's gonna be dropped in literally like 10 minutes. We dropped in 10 minutes. Exit time as well. When did we exit the trade? We exited at 11:19. 11:19. And it's automatically going to show you how long you were in the trade for. 49 minutes. Max drawdown was obviously 47 pips. We got no exit opportunity. And then outcome after the trade, well, stop loss would have hit for 47 pips again. Would have break even have hit no. Optimum close was probably fucking 0 pips. We saw a straight drawdown. Optimum close, yeah, is essentially what the best closure you could have made on the trade was. And then did you follow your plan? Yes. And then I'll put a link to it in later. Then, chat, you have the psychology journal, right? So you have that next. The psychology journal comes after that. Obviously, you guys know how to fill this one out. It's very simple. And then, yeah, man. How do you put the link to the trade? Oh, you just go to trade and view. Shit, gold's pushing, yeah. So you do this, you go copy link, and then you'll go... Also, that means that our stops were very valid, right? Because we've saved ourselves some pips. Anyway, so you would have gone to... yeah, you go to copy link on TradingView and then you just copy the link in right there. And then, bro, you go to statistics, right? And this is your overall stats. This is fucking, yeah, this is insane. So, it's obviously all the trades you've got. This is your account progress. You see we just took an L here, so that you got a little dip. And, yeah, it's going to show you your win rate. This is not counting, bro, we've literally got like 6-7 trades in here. So this is not the overall win rate. You're going to see your account value, total pips, average win, average loss, and your profit and loss for the week and the month. And yeah, then what we're going to see here is you can hide your account value. So If you wanted to show it on stream, for example, if I wanted to show it on stream, obviously I've got just demo numbers in right now. This is not the real numbers for my account, but yeah. So you can hide the account value. And then you can also, if you want to see the numbers in dollars, right? So the wins, the profit and all that stuff, you click this button here, and then it's going to change it to dollars. You can see all your average wins and average losses in dollars, and rather than pips. And it changes even this one here to dollars as well. Which is pretty fucking sick, I can't lie. Then this next journal, this one here, we've got like top pairs. So if you trade more than one pairs, it's going to tell you the dollars or pips that you've taken for those pairs and the win rate. And then you've got sort of, you know, basically 3 pairs, sorry. This one's kind of crazy as well. You can see the statistics for each setup and entry type, and these are interchangeable, right? So you can do like a breakout and we don't have an onion play. You can do a breakout and a flip, and it's going to show you our stats for that. Right now it's for a loss because we just took that loss. But let's say we took a breakout, previous high or low. That one's also a loss, my bad. I'm just trying to find one that's not. Right, let's do a fake out. Okay, there you go. Let's do a fake out and a flip. Perfect. So you'll see that, like, whilst I'm changing these, it gives you like your total trades, total wins, pip gains, average pips, win rate, and risk to reward. But it also changes this graph down here, right? So you saw, like, when we changed that, it makes a change to the graph as well. So that's interactive, which is kind of crazy. Then you have your statistics by day. Obviously, if you want a more in-depth breakdown, the video is going to be better. But yeah, man. And then you've got times. So like, at what times are you taking each trade? So you can see the trades that we've taken between 10 and 11, we've taken 2 trades and our win rate is 50%. Now, obviously, this is only in the past week because I've been journaling this for like 2 weeks, but still, yeah, those are the statistics for those ones. And then finally, you've got detailed statistics. This is fucking crazy. I'm not going to go into detail on this right now, but you can essentially change how many. You can change the parameters for what you're searching for. So if you want to see what your stop loss is, what your win rate is for a stop loss, let's say between 10 and 50 pips, it's going to change it here for a previous candle. You can do it for all of them, obviously. And then, yeah, like, honestly, this journal's fucking crazy. It's absolutely insane. The best one, though, I've seen is, let's say that you have a trade that's a loss, right? And you got an exit opportunity, but you didn't take it. This is going to journal whether or not you should have taken it. And you'll see that right now, this green yes is highlighted, but the no is not. Now, if we change that to, like, let's say that we stuck to our plan on, I don't know, there was an exit opportunity, let's say, in all of these trades. If we would have taken them, obviously we would have missed the pips from them. And you'll see that it changes to now the no is highlighted because it means you shouldn't be taking an exit opportunity. So basically it just tells you exactly what you need to know rather than working it out for you, or you working out yourself. But yeah, man, that's about it right now. Obviously all of these links are clickable. Got some quotes over here. And then also I want you guys to write down your trading plan too, so you can write down exactly what you did and like what you took. But chat, I'm going to release that in about 5 minutes, probably 10 minutes. And yeah, it's going to be ready for you guys to have. So I'm super excited for that. But other than that, guys, chat, that's going to be it. That is going to be it right now. Oh, shit, those buys are crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, chat. Hopefully you enjoyed that shit, man. Do you want to play some pixel letters still? Yeah, why not? Fuck yeah. Make it an even longer stream. Can you share the template? Bro, go to ! journal and download this. It's completely free. Completely free. Bro, I can't lie. That's the most impressive journal in the industry. Bro. Appreciate that, Remy. Appreciate that, my boy. Yeah, this shit's crazy. Yeah, man. It's going to be a sick journal. Realistically, it should change lives. Like, if you use it properly, it should be fucking really good for you. But chat, everyone who watches the stream, regardless of whose, needs to lock in with this journal. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. Next level. Appreciate that there, Remy. Cool, cool, cool. Help me out with the pics letters and then we can call it a day so I can go to the gym. I'm gonna get a 5k challenge tomorrow. Good shit, man. That's huge. Parents hating though, why? Why they hating, man? Release for the people in the chat. Bro, it's gonna be out in like 2 seconds. I need to make the journal, like have the video link first. But yeah, it'll be out the moment the stream's finished, I promise. I promise. Chat, someone help us out with this fucking word, please. Right, I guess S twice, that's crazy. Easy. Spion's not even here, so bro, I feel like you guys aren't even that hyped up for the pics letters. Someone help me out. What goes LIH? What kind of word is LIH, bro? It could be something like that, I guess. I'm stuck here. How is that a word? Like, you know. There's no way that's a word. I try final one and then we can finish off here. What's this word? Yeah, come on. Alright, chat, cool. Easy dubs. We finished that one off super quick. But yeah, chat. I'm going to call it there, man. Oh, good shit, Saxy. I didn't even see that. I'm going to call it there. Chat, guys, the journal's going to be out in like the next 10-15 minutes, hopefully. Yeah, you guys are showing some crazy support for that, so I appreciate you. And other than that, guys, I appreciate you all very, very much. Try and finish off the quarter strong. Even though we did take a loss today, we move, right? We absolutely move. W stream indeed. Guys, appreciate all your support. See you on Monday. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. You know I have to play though. Where is it?